let's go over how easy it is to load the media. First is you open the top cover. Notice we have ambidextrous left or right latches. You just open the media guide and you drop it in, put it under the actual media guide holders, and you're ready to go. But if you're using the same label size over and over again, do you really want to open this over and over again? Even though it's really easy, we can save you a little bit more time by locking it into place. Let me show you how easy it is to do that. So as you can see, this is a little adjustment gear here. All you do is you open it up to the position that you want, and then you adjust the gear until you have the right position. There you go, that's about right. Load in place. And now you're ready to print.